Good morning, teacher. My name is Rafael Reyes. I'm a student of bachelor's degree in English language in the first semester, and this is my activity for the phonetics assignment. Sorry, these are the first vowel sounds. So we got a as in father, o as in law, e as in head, e as in heat, ö as in him, as in have, a as in cup, a, as in about, u as in book, as in burn, u as in blue. These were the vowel sounds. Now the consonant sounds. We got d as in donut, t as in washed, v as in value, as in enough, as in big, as in pan, g as in gop, k as in choir, as in thanks, f as in mother, s as in psalm, z as in zebra, sh as in she, z as in vision, ch as in chapter, ch as in change, h as in happy, as in ear, z as in yes, as in some, as in no, on as in singer, as in lie, bois as in well. Those were the sounds. Thank you very much for your attention, teacher. Have a very good day. Bye bye.